come out to night time now. I think it's like 7 o'clock at night. Didn't take me too long to get through the security at the airport. It's not too bad. It was like about 5 minutes off the plane, straight. There's no queues, there's nobody there. So it's perfect. We're gonna head down to the beach, and then there's Irish bars on the left, so I'm gonna go right first. Quickly make this video, obviously, and then we're gonna head to the Irish bar for a beer. Nice Guinness. But yeah, let me know if you've ever been here before. Fuengirola. This is my second time here. I'm shooting with all new gear at the moment. I've got S25 Ultra, and I've got a brand new gimbal, which costs like £270, but I got it off, where did I get it off? Vinted. Someone was selling it on Vinted. Lucky I caught it because he had the gimbal and a couple of lenses that go on your camera included for, I think I paid 150, and then I sold the lens, so I don't need it. I got another 40 quid for that, so you can knock that off the price. But yeah, not too bad at all. Price-wise, seems the other gimbals basically cost me 125 quid, and I can't take the weight. So yeah, here's the beach, sunset at the moment. And you've all the bars and restaurants on this side. I'm going to take a little walk down this way. So yeah, I've been down here for a year now. We came last, was it a year? Is it 2 years? I can't remember, I don't think we came here last year, so yeah, it's been 2 years. We're going to come back to St. Patrick's here, have a little beer in a minute. But yeah, we'll have a little walk around first, make a couple of videos before I start drinking. Really had a good drink on the old plane. It's always good fun having a drink on the plane. Got the Leonardo Hotel here, right on the beachfront. My hotel's just round the back here, so it's not too bad. Costs 70 quid though. It's nothing special, nothing real to shout home about. Quite liking this at the moment though, because I've got a big screen, I can see what I'm filming much more better. Before we was using the DJI Action 5 Pro, I think that's what it's called. Marina's still using that one. It's perfect, really good camera. But with this you have the can change different things on there. But yeah, down there you've got loads of, let's go down there actually, because there's nothing going on there, is there? Let's go back. There's loads of bars now down there, the waterfront. Let's go and have a little look. Let's go. So yeah, we want to take the kids out for the night. We've got this little park here. It's very good. You can see. Perfect for the kids. But yeah, we're going down this way. There's a fish and chip down here as well. Wasn't my favourite last time I came. Yeah, let me show you these bars down here. This is the Marina. We've got bars around the other side or on this side as well. But we're going to go down this one first. Alright. So yeah, at the cafe here. Everything's open at the moment. That one looks like it's for sale. I don't know actually. I can't read Spanish. Yeah, there's a fish and chip shop over the back over this side. I think when I came last time it was like midsummer, so it was really, really busy. Loads of people there. So yeah, either everything's just getting ready to open. Hope so. Got the family bar here. Should we have a little walk through here? I think we should, shouldn't we? Guys, don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video please. Really helps us a lot. It's 90 to 95% of you guys are not subscribed. It really helps us. Helps us with what are they called? Sponsors. Sponsors like to see loads of subscribers. So yeah, if you could all subscribe, that'd be great. Let's keep going though. So you've got the Groove bar here, live music. Jam sessions on a Wednesday. What day is it? Open mic. Thursday was jam session today. Oh, I'd like to come back down there. Down here actually is the fish and chip shop. Everything's a bit more closed off at the moment because either it's getting too late. I don't know if the fish and chip shop is still down there. I have no idea. We're going to go back this way. Have a little walk around here. So I think you can go around the front of here as well. Let's go around the other side. Yeah, you can go around the other side. But quiet at the moment, not many people about. But Paddy's Day was yesterday, so this is the Marina. Got a bar down the end here. Don't know what it's called, but I'll quickly show you this way. Very nice in there. Quite busy in there actually. A lot of people. I need to go and get some food. I'm not eating just yet. I need to eat. All day breakfast, look at that. €6. Not cheap like Tenerife, but it's not a bad price. It's not like £5. Yeah. So, I'm going to go down there, show you this last bar, wrap it all up. Yeah, someone's on that boat there. Yeah. So, jungle, shisha bar. Everyone outside with the shishas. Yeah, that's not bad. To be fair, we haven't actually been in any of these bars down there. But yeah. So guys, thank you for watching now. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.